Hi everyone, welcome back to IML Kids TV. Today, we're going to learn how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First things first, get a Rubik's Cube. If it's a speed cube or a normal Rubik's Cube, find the Rubik's Cube. And also, people call it three faces because it has three faces and it has two layers. The white one is the first one, the middle one is the second one, and final of all, the yellow one is the third layer. So we're going to mix our Rubik's Cube completely when it's solved or not. So first things first, find the yellow center. Surrounded by 4 white edge pieces. We want these edge pieces, not these corner pieces. It doesn't matter if you have the corner pieces because you're gonna need the corner pieces for later. So if the pieces are on the red spot, for example, so you would have to rotate it 3 times. You have to rotate it once. Rotate this one, the green one, once here. And if you can't get down here or down there, you kick that one out because you don't need any algorithms. Then that again, twist it, kick that one out, then do that. So the second one, it needs an algorithm. You have to match the colors of the, for example, you have to match the colors with the colors that are the same. For example, red and red are matched, so you twist it twice to the white one. So orange is connected to the orange. Twist it down. Green and green are matched, twist it down. And final of all, blue and blue are matched, twist it down. So when you do the first thing, you've done the white cross. The second of all is matching the corners. So you have to match the corners to the right spot. So we have white, green, and red. So we find white. We have white here, so we know it's white, and we have green and red. This one goes here. And there's an algorithm for this. So if it doesn't fit there and it's the wrong color, you go up, left, down, left, up, left, down, up, left, down, up, left, down, until it gets solved. So the second one is, so the second one is white, blue, and orange. So when you know white, blue, and orange, you see white, blue, and orange here. White, blue, and orange. Match that up with the algorithm. Then you match it up again. If there's only 2, and one of them, and for example, this one needs to go here. And it's down. When it's facing down, you slightly press it up. So you twist it, then you press it up, green. So you match it with the greens, then that's it. So when you've matched, so the last part is to turn it all into the match correcting layers. So the top layer goes here, and the orange layer goes here. Then you solve the first Rubik's Cube. But thanks everyone for watching IML Kids TV. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.